Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your motion blur settings in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the game options menu. Press the escape button, this button on the screen right here, or the corresponding button on your controller or keyboard. After that, open your settings menu and then navigate to the videos section. Scroll down, make sure you're in the advanced video section, and basically at the bottom is the motion blur setting. It is turned on by the default, but you can always turn it off. You can also leave it turned on. After that, you can apply the changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.